Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on disappearing message feature on Instagram chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages right here by clicking on this icon on the top right, and then I'm going to choose one of my personal chat. I'm going to choose the personal chat, and I'm going to turn on the disappearing message on this chat. So we can click on the account's name right here, and then we can go to the disappearing messages feature. Okay, and if we want to activate it, we just need to click on the circle button, and we can choose the messages to disappear. For example, I'm going to make the messages disappear after 7 days. So I'm going to click on 7 days. Okay guys, and now the disappearing messages feature in this chat has been activated. And if you want to disable it, you just need to click on the circle button like this. And if you want to activate it, just tap on that again. And for your information guys, that this feature is not available for all Instagram accounts. I'm going to try my another Instagram account guys. So this is my second account, and I'm going to check it whether there is the disappearing messages feature or not. I'm going to check it, and as you can see that there is no disappearing messages feature. So make sure you check it first before you use this feature, because not all the Instagram accounts have this feature. Okay, and then I'm going to check another account. I'm gonna check it guys. Let's see this account. All right. Oh, this account doesn't have that feature as well. This one is available, so make sure you have checked it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn on disappearing messages feature on Instagram chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.